Hi guys, today we are creating this beautiful easy look inspired from Kylie Jenner. Starting off with these two shades, you need to smoke these out on your outer side and also smoke them out on the inner side towards your brow. It has to be very nicely blended and very nicely smoked out. So next I'm gonna take this white milky shade and putting it on my lid, and then taking the shade that we used earlier, putting it on my lower lash line. Next, I'm drawing a half wing only on the outer corner of my eye. Then using a concealer, I'm highlighting my brow bone. You can use an eyeshadow over here if you want, but I thought that concealer looks better, so I'm using it here and then blending it using my fingers. And if you think you need more, you can obviously go back. Then I'm taking this beautiful gold shade and highlighting my inner corner with it. Then at the end, just finish off your look with some mascara, coat your top lashes and your bottom lashes. Here you can use falsies if you want, and if you want to glamorize this look a little more, but I am just stopping over here. Hope you like this look. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and also comment an emoji so that I could stay motivated all the time. Bye bye.